Hey, welcome back. We're going to be doing some work on our 2020 Honda Odyssey, and today we've got both internal air filters and engine air filters. Just a little tip on vehicle maintenance. So I stopped changing my oil many years ago. I always go to the dealership just for oil changes, but the reason is because they do this inspection where they go over so many other things that I don't normally look at. They'll go into the car and they'll tell me about things that I might not see. So it's worth it to me to, number one, not have to deal with the changing and disposal of the oil. But then number two, it helps me to then see things that I might not see. However, when it comes to like the normal maintenance, they tend to always want to try to sell you air filters, which are very expensive. I've got some links to where you can replace both of these for around 20 bucks. So stick around and I'll show you how to do it yourself. So first we'll do the cabin air filter. All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna empty out your glove box, and then you're just gonna lower the glove box by popping this little clip right here. It's not really a clip, it's more of the thing that holds the glove box in place. Once you take this little first little hook off, the second piece is gonna be very easy. You're just gonna squeeze the inside of the glove box like this. So watch this. And it's gonna come right down. All right, once you lower that, first of all, you're gonna notice where it says airflow down, which means on your corresponding filter, you're gonna have an arrow, and so you want that to match down. So to take this out, you have little clips on either side. You're just gonna squeeze those, and that's gonna take this cover off, and then your filter just comes right out. Oh boy. I don't know if this has ever been replaced.
Comes right out.
Yeah, I think this has never been replaced. Oh, dude, that is nasty. Yeah. You can definitely see a difference. This one, ugh. All right, so we got our airflow pointing downward, and we're gonna just slide this in. That's it. Take our cover, which I seem to have lost.
Put it down there, I think.
Oh yeah, thank you. And then this will just go back. Just like that. All right, to get this back, you're just gonna squeeze this again. That way it'll hold. Last thing, I'm just gonna grab this. And that's the cabin air filter. Next, we're gonna do the engine air filter. Engine air filter is over here. We're just gonna pop these two clips right here. Like that. Back here, there's a hidden clip. You're gonna pop that one off. Like that. Now, this whole thing will just come right off. Like that. Extract your filter. Let's see how dirty this is. Oh, dude, that is nasty. Okay, this one definitely needs to be done. Look at the difference there. Wow. All right, so with the engine air filter, it doesn't matter the rotational direction, but it does matter the vertical direction. So you definitely want to put it where the majority of the filter is going into the unit. So we'll just come back here, lift this up, pop this in like that. You got a nice seat down there. The most important thing before you put these clips back on is to seat the back first. There's little seats that go in these slots right here. So those are gonna go first. Slot. See, now it's in the slot. Now I can push this back down. All right. Notice how those clips went on really easily. If for some reason they're not clipping, that means that you're not seated all the way down. If you can't get it seated all the way down, that means that you don't have those two rear seats in first. So that's it. What I like to do, I just did another video on the wipers. I like to do the wipers and the filters all at once in the summertime. just so I do it all at the same time and I don't forget to do it. I showed you how I did that in 5 minutes, and the wipers I did in 5 minutes. So 10 minutes once a year, and you just saved yourself a couple $100 from waiting at the dealership. So that's just some quick maintenance on our 2020 Honda Odyssey. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.